Assalamu alaikum. This is the second drawing of 2D drawing series, technical drawing series. And in this one also, you're going to enter the polar coordinates, the degree of each point as specified below to generate the drawing. You're going to use absolute coordinates for the start point, that is 1.5, 1.75. These are the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then it goes back to 1. And that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, those are the points that the coordinates are given. So once it's complete, you can also draw the nose cone and add some text on it. So let's go. The text is going to be for the year, and this is from 2016, and now we are in 2024. Let's see. Let's go to AutoCAD, and this is the template that we created in the very first template creating, where we created those layers and this very simple title block, and that was in the layout paper space. Now we are going to go to model. By the way, this is the title block. In the beginning, it's advised to save as drawing 2. Type L for line and enter. And it's going to ask you specify first point, and you're going to type the coordinates 1.5, 1.75, and then enter. And now you see that your line has started, and now you can leave the mouse alone, and you're going to type the coordinates to go to the next point, which is at 1.5, angle, sign, and 90. So you remember from the drawing 1 at that formula, and shift 2 is at, and then you're going to type the line, which is 1 unit, then shift less than sign, that is for the angle, and the angle for the line is 90. Third point, at 2, at angle 0, enter. 4 point, at 2, angle 30, enter. 5 point, at 0.75, angle 0, 6, at 1.25, angle 270, or negative 90 is also possible. 7 point. We are at 7 point now. At 1, angle 180. So when you go left, it's 180. When you go down, it's 270. When you go right, it's 0. When you go up, it's 90. And angle 30 was given, and that is an additional angle different from drawing 1. So now I see that it's going down, so guess what that angle is going to be? Yes, if you correct 270, you are correct. So we are at 0.8 now. At 0.5, angle 270, enter. 0.9, at 1, angle 0, 0.10 at 1.25, angle 270. Then you can anticipate going left. So what is left? Yeah, 180. If you got that right, you're doing really well. So at 11, we are at point 11 at 0.75, angle 180. That means going left. 12 is at 2, angle 150. And at the end, did you remember from the last first drawing? You type C for closing that. So C, press enter, and that completes the drawing. But now you are asked to create a nose cone. Now we are going to draw a nose cone for the rocket, and then color the nose cone with the hatch command and write the text. We are going to write USA 2024. Okay, so for the nose cone, there is a polygon command that you're going to use, and it's under rectangle. Usually you will see rectangle and click on the arrow next to it, and you will click on polygon. So polygon, you're going to assign a number of sides, 3, and then you're going to type edge for E, and then click and click on the other endpoint, and you will have the cone. Now you're going to use hatch and click inside the rectangle. I'm going to use solid hatch. And I'm going to give it a gray color, put that in construction layer. Okay, now we are going to add the text. Single line, specify a start point of text. And now specify height of the text. And I'm going to give 0.25, angle 0. And then start typing USA 2024, and then click outside of the text box, and let's move it using the move command. You can type M for move and click anywhere on the screen, and then move your cursor and move it to the center. So that completes your drawing. Go to layout, and it's visible in the viewport. Double click inside the viewport and click on zoom extents. Now go to the scale and give it 1:1, and you can use pen to move it to the middle. Exit, and then lock the viewport. Double click outside the viewport, and now you are in paper space. If you double click inside the viewport, you are actually in model space, which is this model space. But through the window, when you double click, you can work on it. See, escape, double click outside the viewport, and then you're going to be in paper space, and that's very drawing 2, 1:1, and update your date, and then you're going to plot to PDF and you will have the same settings from last time. High quality PDF, 11 by 8.5 ANSI full plate, and over here you can click on layout and preview. Everything looks good, and click OK. If you apply to layout, it's going to save that layout and then save. And that completes your drawing. Your turn. Happy drawing.